Hi everyone, this is Jeannie Ellis and I'm also known as Scrapbooking Mama. And today I am sharing with you some items that I received from PandaHallSelected. These are available through their website and I'll put all the links below. And there's also a 10% discount coupon if you use the word Ellis. That's ELLIS. That's my last name, so that's the code that you would use. I will put a link below for the jewelry that I'm making today, and as I go along making the other videos for the rest of the jewelry, I'll put the link to those kits also. This coupon code is available March 28th, 2022 through March 28th, 2023. I think that's a great deal. So let's get started and see what we have. This one, I believe, is called the dangle earrings. Got a little kit here. Let's open this up. And I think, see if I can find where the opening is. Right here. I've got some jump rings and some earring hooks. And of course, I got the little dangles. And they are so pretty. I wanted these because they were just something unique and unusual. I've not seen anything like that around here, my home where I live. So this is different, and I like different. So let's see. Of course, you got to have a pair, different ones. Now, see, that's kind of the same as that, but it's got that one engrafted into it. So let's see what else we got. This one. And this goes to that one. Just a matter of separating them now. They're so pretty. Man, you can make a lot of these. And you can double them up if you want to, which I probably will. So let's see what we can get done here. I am going to open up the jump rings. And I'm going to go ahead and place them right now into this little box that was sent with the kit. Aren't they so pretty? I love the different colors that shine through it, all different colors. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is get my pliers here, and I want to grab me a jump ring. These are flat nose pliers. And I'm going to go ahead and just open this up. Kind of like this here. Let's put it on the hook first. And I am thinking if I want to go ahead and add something to this one or not. And I'm thinking probably not. No, because it just wouldn't look right that way. So all this is a matter of taking your hooks and your jump ring, putting them together. Trying to get a hold of that. Okay. The quality of these are so nice. Easy to work with because you've got the kit. Everything you need is in there unless you just want to add something that you have in your own stash. So either way would work good. This one looks like it's almost reversible. So there's one. Isn't that beautiful? Now I see a hook or what can be used as a hook here. see, that does not work. Totally doesn't work the way I was thinking in my head. So we're going to take this off. So now let's go ahead and work on the second one. So now we already have one pair of earrings, and they are gorgeous. So let's go ahead and work on another set. Let's see, let's get some smaller ones this time. I kind of like these. Open the jump ring, put in the fish hook holder hook, close it up, and finish. Another pair of earrings. Now this is going to be like, you're going to get, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of earrings. These are unusual and they're very pretty. So before I put the rest of them together, I am going to try something. I'm going to put these over here for now. I'm going to take this set and I'm going to see if I can put some decoration in the middle here. So what I'm going to do next, I need to get another one of these. These are beads that were in my stash, and I thought, wow, how well they go with it, with this coloring. So I thought I'd go ahead and get some head pins and just, let's see, I'm not sure if I want to put the bottom or the top for the crystal, the clear one. And then put this one, which would be the bottom then. Or do I want to do it the other way? It doesn't really matter. It's whatever you prefer. I think I'm going to try it this way. So I'm going to get my one-step crimper, or looper, not crimper. And without getting too close to that clear crystal, I'm going to go ahead and loop. And there we have a loop. Okay, let's go ahead and do that for the other one. Put this one on. And the crystal again. Okay, so I've got these beads on. And I'm going to go ahead and put it onto the earring. But I'm going to put it in this hole right here, I hope. Unless I drop it like I think it's about ready to go. Yep, here it went. There we go. And that's one of them. And I think that looks so pretty. You could actually wear these either direction, this way or this way, because both sides are pretty close together. And of course the beads are the same all the way around. And I think that looks so pretty. Those beads, those earrings just made those beads look really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got a set with some crystals in them and they are gorgeous. Very, very beautiful. These brought out the colors and these crystals even better. Okay, so while I can make, while I can make different earrings out of each one, have more sets, what I think I'll go ahead and try is combining a couple of pair of earrings. Now that's pretty. I think I will do that. So I'll need to get the other piece, the other circle, and the other piece of this and combine those together. So I need 2 jump rings, of course, one for each set. Let's see how this works. If it doesn't work, then on to other things. There we go. Well, now we have 3 pairs of earrings. I'm going to move that with 3 different designs. One is the way the kit comes, and the other 2 I just decided to add to and see what they looked like. And I really like them. Okay, so I've got out of my stash again, so because I think these deserve other things to them too. And just to show you that you can do different things with these earrings. You could put chains up here and let them dangle longer, but I am not the type of person that likes to do long, really long dangles. These are just the right size. So I'm going to take a head pin. I think it's probably about an inch and a half head pin. And I'm going to get my crystal beads again. I've got 2 for each one. And I'm going to add a spacer and then another crystal. And I'm going to see what this looks like. Let me get my 1-step looper out. Yeah. So I've got 2 of these sets, and of course I'm thinking they need to be longer because if they're too short, they're not really going to show well. So I'm going to make another set of these just like I did before, and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's one with a dangle on it. So when you wear it, it's going to hang like this. In your kit, you get everything you need to make 8 pairs of earrings. The only reason I got some like these is because I thought they would look pretty to have some beads of basically the same color as what these earrings are. And they are gorgeous. These are good quality. You have more than enough jump rings and the hooks to, if you make a mistake or you want to change them out or something, you've got enough. These are the way they come if you make them just like that. The jump ring and the hook and the dangle. And all of these pieces, the dangle earring part, the jump ring and the hook, all were in this little box. Now that's not very big at all. It's about almost three inches, not quite. But that's all you need to make these earrings. Be sure you check out the links below in the description box, and I'm going to see you in the next video using some other product from PandaHallSelected. Bye for now.